So, how are you, my viewer? How are you doing? Personally, I'm doing fine. It has been a while since I gave you a video, and today I'm so humbled to say that at least we are growing. Our channel is growing. It's now at 340 subscribers, and views are growing. We are almost 15,000, and we thank God. So, my viewer, the last time I gave you a video, it was because one of the hen wanted to incubate, and we were giving her eggs. And after a few days, another one also, after 2 days, another one also wanted eggs, and I actually gave her eggs. So we have this one. This one is the one which wanted eggs in the first place. So we gave her. And I had asked people, I had asked how many eggs to give her, and people suggested that I give her 15. So by the time I was reading the comments, I had already given her 13. So she has 13 eggs. 13 eggs. Then after 2-3 days, the other one also wanted eggs, and I did the honorable thing. I gave her eggs. She's here. I gave her. Now for this one, I gave her 15. Gave her 15 eggs. So I want to see out of 15 how much she'll be able to hatch. Otherwise, my viewer, they are doing fine. They are doing okay. So these ones now they are 1 month old. They are 1 month old. So I've withdrawn their mother. So they are growing. They are growing on their own. They are growing on their own. And there were 12, but one died. One died a few days ago. So there are 11. So my viewer, the reason why I'm making this video today is because of the mortality. As I had said earlier, we had not experienced any mortalities. The chicks were doing fine, like the ones which are mature, they are now almost 3. In fact, they are 3 months. They are all fine. They are 49, and they grew since day one. They were 49, and up to these 3 months, they are still 49. But now, as I've said, out of these ones, there were 12. Another one died yesterday, so there are 11. They died. They died while they were still with their mother. So one died yesterday. So there are 11. And then out of the ones that hatched the other day, three of them died. So when at night when I prepare them to sleep, they're just okay. But when I come in the morning, I realize that one has died mysteriously. So I have been asking myself, what might be the cause? Because they have been so healthy. You can see them during the day. They are very healthy. They are with their mothers. They are eating very well. But when you wake up in the morning, you find them dead. So I've been wondering what might be the issue. So I came to the conclusion because now it's raining. It is so much raining this end, and I came to conclusion that it might be because of cold. Because initially this room, as I said, when you look at the floor, this floor is cemented. You can see this floor is cemented. It is cemented, and someone had advised me that I could not have, made it this smooth. I could not have made it this smooth. I could have made it somehow rough because it's very smooth. So, and initially in this house, I had rabbits. So you could wake up in the morning, you just find them dead. You just find one dead. During the day it is so okay, so much they are so much playful, but when you wake up in the morning you find them dead. So from that experience, I have concluded that it might be because of this floor, because as I said, it's raining so heavily this end, and this someone said that this cemented floor, this this cemented floor, sometimes they hold water, and now they make the room so cold. So because sometimes when I prepare these chicks to sleep together with their mother, I put them on 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 a sack, some on a sack. But now when you wake up in the morning, you find that their mother may be moved from the sack, then it is just rested on a cement. So I've concluded that because I've ruled out about diseases, because I've vaccinated them, I give them antibiotics. So I have ruled out about diseases. So the possibility might be that it's because of cold. So today I have moved them. I have moved them to somewhere else. So let me just show you where I've moved them, because now I thought you can see that one is the one that he took its kids. So my viewer, have decided to move them. I've moved them to this place. Here is where I've moved them. I've moved them today. So you can see now they are inside here. They are inside here. At least, yeah, that's the one. And then there's another one also here. There's another one also here. So you see, this white one gave us, as I had said earlier, gave us 9. Gave us 9. And then this one here gave us 8. But as you can see now, this one have 6, this one has 6, and this one has 7. This one has 7. So you see, we have experienced mortality rates, and at this point we have lost 4. We have lost 4. 4 is a very big number. It's a very huge number, and you see now losing such a huge number with no good reason. So my viewer, I've moved them today. So I want to look at them. I want to give them time, and then I'll see if indeed it was cold, because it's not about. I know it's not about diseases, because I give them antibiotics and I give them everything. So also my viewer can help me to get to understand what might be the cause, because as I said, when these ones were growing, it wasn't raining. It was not raining when these ones were growing. It wasn't raining actually, and they grew all of them. They grew all of them. All of them. They are 40. These ones, they are 40. They are 49. They are 49, and out of 49, they are now 3. Today they reach. Today it's now 3 months. They are now 3 months old, and none of them died. Actually, I never experienced any mortality rate. So that is now what is making me conclude that the ones which are dying now just because of cold, because it is raining here. This place, it has been raining. It rains the whole day. Sometimes it rains throughout the whole night. So my viewer, let's see. Also, you can try. You can comment down there. Maybe you can give me some remedies, because we are on a journey. We are on a journey of growth. So if we lose even 1, that's a negative. So out of 78, now we have lost 4. So you see now, we, instead of going ahead, we are going back. So my viewer, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for those who are commenting. Thank you for those who are asking questions. I'm trying to answer however much I can. And also you can give me your ideas on how to go about this weather, because we don't need to lose. My view, we don't need to lose. We need to go forward. So please just comment down there, what should I do about this? Because 4 is a very huge number. 4 is a very huge number. Otherwise, we are growing. We are growing. So we have two which are on the eggs. Where we are giving them 20 around now 15 days to go, and then we shall be seeing what they have given us. As for meantime, we are still observing these ones. We shall be observing them, so that at least we don't lose. Because losing even one alone, just losing even one alone, it is not good. It's not good. So, my viewer, let's continue observing. These ones I'm sure. These ones I'm sure they are doing fine. They are very much okay, and they are doing very well. If you look at them, if you look at the teeth, it is a grown. It's a grown head. You see, it is just 3 months old. But when you look at it, it is something. It looks like already grown hen. So I'm so optimistic that in the next 2 or 3 months they'll be laying, and we shall be growing our number. So my viewer, thanks for your time. Uh, Please subscribe. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We are on the journey to 1,000 subscribers, and as we continue with our journey towards 1,000 baht. So for those who haven't subscribed, kindly please subscribe, so that we grow together. And those who find, if you find our video to be so educative, please share with your friend, so that we will learn and grow together. Otherwise, God bless you as we grow together towards a journey towards 1,000 subscribers, and a journey towards 1,000 baht. Others, thank you so much, and God bless you.